The first tune that most people learn is Hot Cross Buns, and there's a reason for that. It only uses 3 notes, and it's the notes that we've already learned together. You've got the E, the D, and the C. And you put those together in sequence, and you play them around a little bit, and you got Hot Cross Buns. Now it's really important to learn this with the music and to learn how to read the rhythms and the notes that are printed on the page so that you can translate them to your instrument. But I'm going to take you through this a little bit without the music right now. The first 2 measures with the half notes, E, D, C, happen 3 times throughout the song. So if you know those 2 measures, you already know most of the song. Those 2 measures sound like this. That's measure 1 and 2. Measure 3 and 4 are exactly the same. Measures 5 and 6 are a little bit different though. Remember we said we had half notes in measure 1 and 2? Well, in measure 5 and 6, we have quarter notes. Now, you might have already guessed this, but half notes mean that one note takes up half of the bar. And quarter notes mean that one note takes up 1/4 of the bar. So, you guessed it, the quarter notes go twice as fast as the half notes. So measure 5 and measure 6 sound like this. You see, it's just going back up the scale, C, D, in quarter notes, which are twice as fast as the half notes that came before. And then, measure 7 and 8 are exactly the same as measure 1 and 2. So you put all of those together, and you get Hot Cross Buns. And there you have it, Hot Cross Buns.